Hello students, continuing the same topic, similar triangle. Now today I will explain few MCQs which are based on the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. The question number 1 is, in triangle ABC, AB is equals to 6 root 3, BC is 6, AC is 12. We need to find the angle B. So let us draw a triangle. They have given the dimension. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. H square is equals to P square plus B square. Okay, so 12 is equals to 12 square is equals to 6 root 3 whole square and 6 square. If both the sides are equal, it means that it is verifying the Pythagoras theorem. So let us check. So 6 square it is 36, root 3 it is 3, 36 into 3 it is 108, plus 36 it is 144 and 144. So LHS is equals to RHS. It means that it is verifying the Pythagoras theorem. It means that angle B will be of 90 degree. So among these four options, 90 degree will be the correct option, right? Look at this question number 2. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we need to find the value of AD square. Okay. So remember one thing, that in an equilateral triangle, the perpendicular always bisect the base. Okay. So if triangle ABC is an equilateral and the sides are A, and this is also A, so this will be half of A, that is A by 2 and A by 2. And it is given that AD is perpendicular. Okay, so by this property, that perpendicular bisect the base, we can write that BD is equals to DC, right? So this side is A, this is A, so this will be A by 2 and this will be A by 2. So we'll take this triangle, triangle ABD. So we can apply the Pythagoras. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. So value of AB is A, AD square, and BD is A by 2. Okay, and we'll shift A by 2 on this side. We'll be getting A square minus A square by 4. Taking the LCM, what we'll get? 3A square by 4 is equals to AD square. Okay, now we have been given the option 3 by 2 DC square, twice of DC square, thrice of CD square, and 4 terms of DC square. It means that we need to convert this term in the form of CD. Okay, so in place of A, we can write AB, because we have assumed that AB is equals to BC is equals to CA, that is, so in place of A, we can write AB square. Okay, so this step is clear. Now AB is equals to CB because it is an equilateral triangle. So in place of AB, we can write BC square. Okay, now what is BC? Let us check again. BC is twice of CD, right? BC is twice of CD. So in place of BC, we can write twice of CD. And if we open it, we'll get 3 multiplied by 4, that is the square of 2, CD square by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So we will be having 3 times of CD square is equals to AD square. So which option will be correct? They have given that is 3 times of CD square. So this, that is C option, will be correct according to the question. Okay. So let us consider one more question. Question number 3 is, if a triangle ABC is right angle at B and M and N are the midpoints of AB and BC, then we need to find the value of 4an square plus cm square. Okay, so now look at the diagram. A, B, C, M is the midpoint of AB they have given, N is the midpoint of BC they have given, and it is 90 degree, and we need to find the value of this. Okay, so we know that if it is the midpoint, it means that BN is equals to CN and BM is equals to AN. Okay, So we'll write the given that B is 90, M is the midpoint of AB, and N is the midpoint of BC. So what we need to find is AN square. So AN square means we'll take this triangle. So AN square will be what? AB square plus BN square. Similarly, CM square will be what? BC square plus BM square. So adding these two, what will get? AN square plus CM square plus AB plus BC plus BN square plus BM square. Okay. So AB square plus BC square will give us AC square by applying Pythagoras theorem. BN is the half of BC because that was the midpoint. Similarly, BM is the midpoint of AB, that is given. So if we'll open it, we'll get what? BC square by 4, AB square by 4. Now we'll take the LCM. 1, 4, 4. The LCM will be 4. 4 multiplied by AC, that is 4AC square. Again, BC square plus AB square will give us AC square. So 4 times of AC square plus AC square will give us 5AC square, and 4 will be cross multiplied to this side. So 4AN square plus CM square is equals to 5 times of AC square. Understood? Now the one more question. It is again a very important question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we need to prove which of them is correct. Okay. So ABC is a equilateral triangle. AD is perpendicular. Okay. So perpendicular means it will bisect the base. In an equilateral triangle, perpendicular always bisect the base. So we'll start with any other triangle. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay. So BD can be written as half of BC. Okay. So BC square by 4. Okay, we'll shift BC on this side. So BC and AB will be equal because it is an equilateral triangle. So in place of BC, we can write AB. So shifting on this side, we'll getting by taking the LCM. 4AB minus AB will get 3AB square equals to 4AD square. So remember this result in an equilateral triangle. Okay, 3 times the square of its side is equals to 4 times the square of its perpendicular.